sold.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Today we got a 2011 Lr4. Let's see if we can win. And no one is bidding. We may win this thing today. Oh my goodness. Look at here. Look at here. We just won.
Your watch item is next on the block.
We just won a 2011 Lr4 for $1,700. What a deal. Here she is, guys. 2011 Lr4. Exterior is in really good shape. Dual We'll walk around. This truck is not HSE luxury, and that's not where the badge goes. But it's okay. Like new tires on this thing's like, I mean, I bet you they don't have 100 miles on them. Here's the inside, factory mats. I mean, it's like brand new. 100,000 miles, non-smoker. I mean, it still smells new. 7-seater. You've seen some of the interior while we're at the auction, but it does not have the cooler box. That's okay. Let's pop the hood and I'll show you what we're working with. This is inside the engine area. Some pieces that I know we're gonna have to replace. For the main part, it's not too bad. I mean, there is several pieces that we're gonna have to dive into and get a shop vac and try to get all this stuff out of the intake. We'll see if the engine turns over. Wiring harness, looks like maybe it just melted the outer coating off of that wire loom. It does have a lot of tape on it. There's some stuff that no doubt will have to get replaced, but there is a lot of plastic under here. Fan shroud, fan, I already have a fan shroud. I'll probably have to put a radiator on it, but we may get lucky. We'll try to do a lot of the work here at the house, and we'll get as much done as we can here. But a little tidbit, a little helpful information if you're not used to working on Land Rovers or any car for that matter. If you just buy one out of the blue and expect to rebuild it like this, the learning curve is there. So you're gonna have to learn what goes where. I spend 90% of my time during the day under the hood of one of these, so I know exactly where every bolt should be, the wiring harness should be. So I know exactly where it should be. But we're gonna get this thing tore down. We're getting all the trash vacuumed out of the intake ports and tape that back up, roll the motor over, see why they had the intake off. I'm guessing that someone was working on it. They pulled the intake off. They had to push it outside for some reason. They had the fuel line disconnected. Maybe they were pushing it back in, and whenever you put your foot on the brake to put the car in neutral and you hit the button, the car's going to try to start. And I think that's what happened with this one. I don't think it was on fire for an extended period of time. Fuel rail pressure on one of these, they do have high pressure fuel pumps, so you're looking at 2,500 psi fuel pressure. They can go a lot of places in a short amount of time. So I don't know, bear with us. We're gonna get this thing off the trailer. We'll get it up there at the house and we'll start knocking some of this stuff out. I'll bring you along with the rebuild process, what we run into. We're gonna give a full detailed list of everything that I have to put on this truck. You've already seen the auction, so you know what I paid for it. We'll go in depth how to register a salvage title car here in Tennessee, so don't miss out. Also, we got a little surprise for you. Let's go up to the house and check it out. All right guys, you've seen the new build. We will be getting it up here at the house to do a lot of the work on this truck. I want to do it here, that way if somebody was to buy one and you want to rebuild it at home, you get firsthand what it's like to have to rebuild one in your driveway. But anyway, so you've seen the new build. If you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell, be notified every time I post a video about this truck. Hey, since we've started, I think we're at 158 subscribers. We did a giveaway for 100. The next giveaway is going to be 500, and you don't want to miss out. You see part of it back here. We're going to be giving away 2 of these snap-on koozies. That's right guys, we're going to give away 2 of these snap-on koozies. Now this isn't just a regular koozie, right? You're working, you're like, oh, let me sit my cold drink down here on the door. That's right. 2 of them, 500K subscribers. We're gonna give these suckers away, so you don't want to miss out. We're gonna do a 1,000 giveaway, so we're gonna give away something else. I've already got it. It's big time. You don't want to miss out on this 1,000 subscriber giveaway. But we got the 500 first, so if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll check you next time.